Hey everyone, today we went shopping for food for our family with 6 people from ALDI and Walmart. I'm going to show you what we bought. Starting with Aldi's, Castman Vitamin D orange juice for those of us who do not like to chew our orange juice for breakfast, and the High Pulp for those of us who do. Bread and butter sliced pickles, 1 jar of sweet relish, 2 bunches of the bananas, 1 pack of the breaded chicken breast patties. There are 9 in this bag. Oven roasted turkey breast sandwich meat, the Polska beef sausage, 1 pack of the Hawaiian sweet rolls, 1 bag of the cinnamon raisin bagels. This has 20 hash browns inside of it, 1 box of the breakfast biscuits blueberry, 1 box of the dark chocolate peanut butter protein bars, 3 boxes of the jambalaya mix, 2 bags of the dried mangoes, 1 bag of dried apricots, 1 pack of sliced mild cheddar cheese, 1 pack of sliced medium cheddar cheese, 1 bottle of Hidden Valley Ranch, yes, this was at Aldi's, 1 unsweetened almond vanilla milk. We have 2 cucumbers to slice up for lunches, 1 block of sharp cheddar cheese, 1 bag of baby carrots, 1 sweet snack selects with mild yellow cheddar cheese, roasted almonds with sea salt, raisins, and white chocolate chunks. 2 bags of the bacon Caesar chopped salad kit, 2 bags of the Italian salad kit, 2 containers of the whipped cream cheese spread, 2 containers of sour cream, 1/2 gallon of lactose-free milk, and last but not least, 1 gallon of 2% milk. From Walmart, we have the beef ramen noodles, the shrimp ramen noodles, and the chicken ramen noodles. 2 containers of the Mio Energy Acai Berry Storm, 2 containers of the Mio Energy Strawberry Pineapple Smash, 2 boxes of the Kiwi Strawberry Propels, 2 liters of the Zero Sugar Dr. Pepper, 1 container of the Chick-fil-A sauce, like the original yellow Chick-fil-A sauce, 1 Cold Stone Coffee Creamer, 1 Great Value brand Blueberry Cobbler Creamer, 1 jar of Old El Paso Green Chilies Enchilada Sauce, 1 Taco Bell Chipotle sauce, and 1 bag of the Checkers brand Famous Seasoned Fries.